Hey guys, welcome to Tracie's Place. Today I'm going to show you how to keep a shower caddy up in your shower without falling down on that stem part, the pipe on your shower head. So stay tuned. Alright, so this is my shower head and it is a handheld shower head. It's a two-parter. It can snap out and you can hold it in your hand and snap it back into the original piece there. And then this is my shower caddy. A lot of times a shower caddy will just keep falling down right here, just falling down, falling down. People put tape there and different things. Tape will end up coming off because of the humidity from the shower, just it getting, wet and everything. This is what I found to keep the shower caddy up on here. And I'm going to show you. It is a piece of foam that we got from Home Depot. We were originally looking for a plastic tubing, which they do have, but the plastic tubing is a hollow plastic tube. It's a clear tubing, something like this, but brand new. It's much more clear. They have them in different sizes, and the plastic tubes, oh goodness, they were like, I forget how many feet, but they sold them in so many feet, they wouldn't cut it for us. And it was like $24 for a 1-inch that would have fit this pipe here. But it was $24. We didn't need all that tubing. We only needed about, this is a good 6 or 7 inches. So the guy said, you know what, we may have something else. And he took us over to another aisle and got us this foam. Let me see if I can see the exact name of it. Hold on. This is what the tubing looks like. And I've already cut ours. The piece that we need, I've already cut it off. This is over 6 feet tall. And this was only about $1.59, you guys. About $1.59. And this is, whoops, let me turn this around. This is what it is. Okay. It just says Everbuilt. I didn't see a name like on the tag that was on the shelf or anything. But this is what it is. You could take a snapshot of this or whatever and take it to Home Depot with you. But this is what it is. And this is the SKU number or whatever. And yeah, let me try to hold it still. And yeah, so just go to Home Depot and ask them for foam tubing. And it's hollow in there. Also, you guys, it's easy to cut. I cut it with just some scissors, just some regular scissors, and just measured how much I needed. I cut it across right there. And then, I don't know if you can see that scoring, there's a scoring line that goes all the way down the center of this tube. And you can cut it right there and then stick it right on here like I did. I just cut it down the middle. I actually just took one edge of the scissors and I just slid it and it came apart. And yeah, very easy. And just put it on the stem or put it on this pipe here and put on my shower caddy and there you go. No problem. And it can get wet. It can get wet. It looks the same as those, those floaty tubes you can get at the Dollar Tree and other pool places. You could probably get them at Walmart and different things. They come in different colors and your kids float with them in the pool. So I think they're called noodles. They look the same as the noodle. So you could probably, depending on the thickness of the noodle or whatever, you could probably get it from the Dollar Tree or somewhere like that if you see it, if you want a different color. But I think this is best. This black color goes with my shower head. And yeah, just easy. It just kind of, blends in with this. Now, I don't think they had white or gray or anything because some people may have, all silver and then you have this black thing here. But it's not anything that looks weird or anything. I think the black grayish color would be just fine, especially for this purpose. The purpose is keeping this thing up here, and this it does. It cannot slide down at all. So I'm very happy about that. And that's how you keep your shower caddy up. When I was on YouTube trying to search for a solution for this issue, I think I came across one, and that was for the plastic tubing, I believe it was. And like I said, it cost too much money. So I found this and just wanted to share it with you guys. So for $1.59 or so, you can take care of this problem and keep your shower caddy up so it won't keep falling down and messing up your shower head and making all your stuff fall out your shower caddy. So I hope this helps someone. Please share this. Please share this, on your other social media platforms, because a lot of people want to know, but they just cannot find a solution to this. And I found a solution that I wanted to share. All right. Share this video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Love you guys, and I'll see you next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Check out some of the other videos on the channel. Bye.